Welcome to today's comprehensive review of Fidelity, the popular trading app. In this guide, we'll delve into the various advantages and disadvantages of using Fidelity. Additionally, we'll provide detailed instruction. Why Fidelity stands out. Fidelity Investments is a top choice in the competitive world of online trading platforms. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, abundant research resources, and a wide range of investable assets. Fidelity has earned numerous accolades, including the title of Best Online Brokerage. Pros of Fidelity Investments. Robust research and education. Fidelity provides extensive research and educational resources, including third-party research, beneficial for both beginners and experienced traders. Zero commission trading. Fidelity offers zero-commission trading for stocks and ETFs, extending this to over-the-counter stocks as well. Mutual fund options. Fidelity has a vast selection of mutual funds, including no-fee index funds and funds from various providers that trade commission-free under certain conditions. Nationwide branches. With over 140 branches across the U.S., Fidelity offers in-person assistance and consultations. User-friendly platforms. Fidelity's desktop and mobile platforms are easy to navigate and packed with features for both active traders and long-term investors. Transparent pricing. Fidelity does not receive payment for order flow, emphasizing transparency in pricing and potentially saving you money. Cons of Fidelity Investments. No futures or cryptocurrency trading. Fidelity does not support futures or cryptocurrency trading. Limited paper trading. Fidelity lacks a paper trading feature, which can be useful for beginners. Managed portfolio pricing. Some managed portfolio solutions may be priced higher compared to competitors. Portfolio analysis limitations. Fidelity's portfolio analysis might not provide a comprehensive view of diversified portfolios. Outdated interface. The platform's interface may appear dated and could benefit from an aesthetic update. Why choose Fidelity? Fidelity caters to a broad range of investors, making it a versatile choice for various financial goals and strategies. Whether you are a novice investor or an experienced trader, Fidelity offers valuable tools and resources. The platform is particularly appealing to frequent traders due to its transparent pricing and potential cost savings in order execution. Fidelity's commission and fees. Fidelity's fee structure aligns with industry norms, offering zero commission trading for stocks and ETFs, including OTC stocks. Options trading is affordable at 65 cents per contract. Fidelity also offers low-fee mutual funds and zero-expense ratio index funds. However, non-Fidelity mutual funds may incur commissions, and there is a $4.95 charge at purchase. Fidelity's platform and technology. Fidelity provides a wide array of account types for individuals, families, businesses, and managed accounts. These include standard brokerage and retirement accounts, as well as specialized options like solo 401ks and 529 college savings accounts. Fidelity's desktop platforms offer comprehensive analysis tools, including portfolio analysis capabilities and third-party research. Managed portfolios. Fidelity offers a range of managed portfolio options to suit different investor preferences. These include basic and hybrid robo-advisors, as well as fully managed portfolios at various service and price levels. Fidelity Go. The basic robo-advisor offers diversified portfolios and automatic rebalancing with no minimum investment for accounts under $10,000 and a $3 per month fee for larger balances. That wraps up our detailed review of Fidelity Investments. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.